I want to show you some education technology that I found while doing an assignment for one of my graduate courses at Fort Hays State. And actually, I used it in one of our earlier assignments, so it might look a little familiar to some of you. This is called Mindmeister. And I'm going to go ahead and just click Mindmeister into my search engine and search for that. And it's going to bring me to a page that says mindmeister.com. Create your own maps online. I'm going to tell you that I chose this app because it was just a different way to put your thoughts onto a thought map. I mean, we create them with our kids as we're teaching them to write papers and to come up with ideas and to see how things work together. And so that's what I've done here. I'm going to show you how to create a map with Mindmeister and just show you how why I liked it so much. The ISTE standards that I have chosen are ISTE S6A, choose the appropriate platforms and tools for meeting the desired objectives of their creation or communication. And also ISTE E7A, provide alternative ways for students to demonstrate competency and reflect in their learning using technology. So when I was using this, I'll show you how I have used it before. And it was for another one of our assignments, and it was for our critical thinking video that I used it for. There's lots of different things about this. You can create your own maps, and you can keep any recent maps. Obviously, I don't have any recent ones or any favorites at this point. Public maps, I don't have anything changed done that way either. But then they also have templates that you can look at, and it will just give you, this might be a great way to just, show kids how to do it. There's lots of different templates that you can use to do a map. Like if you're going to do, let's say, lesson planning, and you choose to use this template. So let's use the lesson planning template, and we're going to go ahead and just open that map. So let's go right up here and go to my maps. And I have the lesson planning template there. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And I want to plan a lesson. So what you would just do is fill in each little section. And that's how you would use a template. Let me show you how I created just my own map. I'm just going to do a new map, but the templates are available. I'm going to do a new map, and what I'm going to do is it really just walks you through this. So my new map I'm going to call Critical Thinking. And this is exactly what I did. And it walks you by it through it step by step down here in the bottom, but critical thinking. So we're going to go ahead and get started with that. I've chosen my title. Now I want to add all the different ways to it. So all I need to do from here is push tab, and it'll open up a whole nother bubble for me. And so with my critical thinking, I had a who. And then it had some other questions that went along with that. So all I had to do was push the tab button again, and I could put the questions in there. So who benefits? And then you want to add another question. So all you have to do is go back here to the who, click on it, push tab again, and it gives you a whole nother bubble. And this continues all the way through. You can add emojis or flags or attachments. You could even attach something from the web or from another document that you have. You can change the color of your bubbles or the color of your writing, or the size, whether it's in bold type, or you want to change your bubble shape. You can change your bubble shape or highlight it all, or there's so many different things that you can add to this. You can also, when you come to Mindmeister, you can also customize it. You can add pictures if you would like to upload a picture. So let's say I want to upload a picture of or I just want to upload if you want to upload that, that will be an added. I missed that, but you could upload pictures or videos, or just choose like a critical thinking video. So I could choose a critical thinking video from the internet. Here's one from YouTube, and I'm just going to click on that and pause that, and I'm going to go use selected video. I'm going to select that video. I'm going to select, oops, let's get back over here. I'm going to select this video, and I want to add that selected video in there. So there you go. Along with my critical thinking, I also have a video to go with it. Such a great way for kids to just, again, even put their research into Mindmeister, or to create a map of how your brain just goes through different things, or as you're thinking. I see this as a great way for students to map their thinking, but also when it came to the lesson planning side of it, to be able to take a lesson plan, to choose a lesson plan and say, I'm going to do a lesson about dolphins. So I decide I want to add a video in here. I'm going to get rid of that picture, and I'm going to get rid of this over here, and I'm going to add a video of dolphins. And it's going to search YouTube for dolphin videos. And there's a dolphin, majestic dolphin. So there we go. It shows a dolphin video. I'm going to add it to my mind map. And so then right there is the video that I want to use when it comes to teaching my dolphin. What do we want to know about the dolphins? What do I want them to learn about dolphins? What do they need to know? It just walks you step by step through making a lesson plan, and having that in picture form. You can also upgrade this, and you can get unlimited maps. Right now, the free mode is a limited account, but like I said, I use this when doing my critical thinking assignment project, and I really just loved it. It gave me a way to put what I was thinking into picture form, and it hits that, that different thinkers, the way that kids think. Everybody does things a little bit differently. For some, it might work just to write the paper. For some, they might need this extra visual to see how it all connects, or to make it all connect. But this is just a walkthrough for teachers. If I was going to teach it with kids, I would definitely do it bit by bit, and slowly work through a map that we created together on with Mindmeister. I also see this as being a way that you could use to collaborate with other students. If you're working on a project, another way to keep your information all in one spot and having people be able to work together and share information. I thank you for watching this video. Have a great evening.